Here we are going to study chapter 4 quadratic equation. So let us start. Before coming into directly into the quadratic equation topic, let me start with the term polynomial. I hope everybody know what is a polynomial. Actually, polynomial is the combination of variables, constants or coefficients combined with different arithmetical operations. This polynomial also we have studied. It can be divided into different, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, then cubic polynomial, etc. So linear polynomial means what? Polynomial means we know different. So based on this variable only it is coming different. So linear means when the variable have the power 1 only. Quadratic means the variable have the power 2. Cubic means the variable have the power 3, etc. and etc. So variable is important here. In terms of this we are dividing linear, quadratic and cubic. I hope everybody understood that portion. Okay. So in our chapter we are going to discuss the power 2 variable, that is quadratic polynomial. So whenever a polynomial, when I am equating that polynomial is equal to 0, that means when an LHS and also RHS is also there and which is separated by an equal to, we can call it as equation. So therefore, when quadratic polynomial is equal to 0, we can call it as quadratic equation. That is how quadratic equation is formed. So I hope everybody understood the how this quadratic equation concept came. So what is the use of it in real life? In real life so many applications are there. For example, I want to construct a building. Okay, I want to build a room, whatever. I am saying that the area of the room should be 300 meters square, and I am saying that length can be 1 meter more than breadth. I am just giving you a clue. I told that total area is 300 meters square and the length should be 1 meter more than the breadth. That means I want a rectangular construction actually. So as a civil engineer or something, I am giving you the needful like this. So how you will understand? So how you have to make a quadratic equation. That is, I will tell you. So area of the room, you know that it is length multiplied by breadth is equal to your area. So it is said that length 1 meter more than breadth. Okay, so basic thing is breadth. So I am assuming my breadth is equal to x. So here as per this statement, length is 1 meter more than the breadth. Okay, so therefore length means 1 meter more than the breadth. That means x plus 1. So what is area? Length into breadth. So my area is equal to length into breadth. That is x plus 1 into x. So you know how to open the bracket. We have already studied. So x into x is x square. X into 1 is plus x. And this area is already limited as 300. So when I am taking you, because I got an LHS here, I got an RHS here. So x square plus x, from the right hand side this plus 300, I am taking to the left hand side, it will become minus 300 is equal to 0. And now I got an equation. So this is actually a quadratic polynomial because you know the highest degree, that is the variable, is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial is equal to 0, and now this became the quadratic equation. So x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. So we can make a standard form. So standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means this term is relevant, because then only when any term x square should be there as the highest power, then only it will become quadratic polynomial and then quadratic equation. So where we can say that a should not be equal to 0 and a, b, c can be any constants or coefficients. So this is the general form of this is a standard form of quadratic equation or general form. So here you come to know that first they are in the descending order. Here the x power is 2, here the x power is 1, and here the x power is 0 actually. X raised to 0 is 1, that is why it is not mentioned here. So this is the way you have to write. So here we are going to study different forming of the quadratic equation. So please refer the page 71 of your NCERT textbook. NCERT textbook, it is given there. So example, it is given there. Example 1. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So John plus Jivanti, total there are 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. Okay, so each one lost 5 marbles. Let it be. And the product of the number of marbles they have now, that means after losing 5 marbles each, they have now the product as 124. So how you will form a quadratic equation, that you have to understand. We can look this, children. How? That means I am imagining that let the number of marble of John is equal to x. Okay, so we know that total is 45. Therefore, number of marble of Jivanti will be what? Total 45 minus x. And we said that each lost 5 marbles. That means, so now John have how much? X minus 5. And what about Jivanti have how much? This 45 minus x, out of it again 5 minus. So 45 minus 5, you can take it as 40 minus x. And now what they have said, the product now, that means x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to how much? What is the product given in the question? 124. Now you know how to open the bracket. That means x into 40, that is 40x, minus 5 into 40, 200. Then x into minus x, that is minus x square. Then minus 5 into minus x will be plus 5x is equal to 124. So we can combine this 40x plus 5x, it will be 45x minus 200 minus x square is equal to 124. So I am writing in a correct order. Minus x square plus 45x minus 200 and plus 124 on the right hand side. I am taking it in the left hand side. Minus 124 is equal to 0. So this will be minus x square plus 45x minus 324 is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation. It is okay, no problem for that. And here the a is negative 1. But as it is starting with a negative value, we can just multiply all the equation with a negative. So we will get the answer. All term will become x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. So this is the general form of quadratic equation. Cottage industry produces a certain number of toys, and the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the total number of product. Okay, so first I am assuming that let the number of toys production, I am assuming the number as x. Okay, and the cost of one toy is equal to how much? What they said in the second sentence, the cost of production of each toy will be 55 minus the number. So 55 minus, what is the number here? X. And we know that the total cost will be what? Number into cost of 1. That means x into 55 minus x. So when we multiply, we will get 55x minus x square. And what it is given the cost, the total cost of production will be 750. That is equal to 750. So this is our quadratic equation. So we can arrange minus x square plus 55x is equal to 750. So this will be minus x square plus 55x plus 750 will become minus 750 is equal to 0. Now same way as I said, as it is negative, we can multiply the whole equation by negative. So each will change. So this will become minus 55x and minus will become plus 750 is equal to 0. Where x is the number of toys production and cost of one toy will be 55 minus x. In page number 72, they have asked you to check whether the quadratic equation, whether they are quadratic equation or not. So first question is given x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So you know a minus b the whole square is what? A square minus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 2, that is minus 4x, plus b square, that is 4, plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So x square minus 4x plus 5. Then this plus 2x will become minus 2x here and minus 3 will become plus 3 here is equal to 0. We can rearrange x square. This will together will combine to form minus 6x plus 5 plus 3 will become 8 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. No problem. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 8. So this is a quadratic equation. What is the second question they have said? X into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. We can multiply inward. X into x square plus x plus 8 is equal to, this is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. We can take it into right hand side, from the right hand side into left, that is minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0. This minus x square and plus x square cancel, so this will become 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. But this is not in the form. We have studied that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a should not be 0. When a is 0 means this x square term will not be there. Here it is not. So this is not a quadratic equation. This can be asked in the examination. Check whether. Next question is x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. So this will be 2x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus 1. So this will be 2x square plus 3x, coming here x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square will be x square, then plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here no problem. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to negative 1. So this is a quadratic equation. No problem for that. Next question. X plus 2 the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. You know a plus b the whole cube is what? Those who don't know, note it down. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So apply it here. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square, that means 3x square into 2, that is 6x square, plus 3ab square, 3 into x into 4, that is 12x, plus is equal to x cube minus 4. When we take it here, x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x minus x cube plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus x cube and plus x cube cancel. So it will become 6x square plus 12x plus 12 is equal to 0. If I am taking 6 common, because everywhere 6 is there, 6 into x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So as it is 0, 6 will, when go to the right hand side, it will again become 0. So the answer is x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is 1, b is 2 and c is 2. So this is also quadratic equation form. I hope everybody enjoyed the session. If you like the session, please click the like button, and if you want the upcoming notifications, please click the bell icon nearby the subscription after subscribing my channel. Exercise 4.1 we are going to discuss tomorrow, the next day. So please kindly watching. Thank you. Bye.